This one says they want you to do this without a calculator. So they want you to think it through exponentially. Of course, if you're at home and, you know, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing. But, well, actually your calculator, it's depending on the calculator. Some calculators, you might be able to figure this out. But remember, I'm going to start with the base, right? The base is 100. So it's going to be 100 raised to whatever the logarithm is set equal to, that's going to be your exponent, equals, and then it's going to equal whatever it was you were taking the log of. So this will be the 10. So I'm trying to figure out y to what power would equal 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make both sides of my equation the same base if I can, and I can, because this 100 right here, that 100 is a 10 squared, and that 10 squared is being raised to the y power. On the other side, this 10 right here is already base 10. I'm simply going to write it 10 to the first power. Now, back on the left side, when you have a power raised to another power, you can multiply those powers together. So that's 10 to the 2 times y would be a 2y. And then, running out of room, come over here. If I have a 10 to the this, and it equals a 10 to the that, if your bases are both the same number, then that means your exponents should both be the same number. So if I have a 10 to the this and it equals a 10 to the that, then my this should equal my that. And if basically what you're doing is dropping the base, the exponents just become equal to each other. It's a whole new equation. And then if 2y equals 1, y would have to equal 1/2. And it says enter an exact answer. So let me go back to Mobius. The y would be a 1/2. So 1/2. That should work out okay. Boop. Yay. And that's how it's done.